everybody, it's Donna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is just meant to be a quick little video going out to current Stampin' Up! Demonstrators around the world. I am trying to put together a collaboration for YouTube of demonstrators that would like to put together a video, but basically do it as a collaboration. So, well, actually it'll be one video for each demonstrator, but what you're going to be doing is at the beginning and the end, you're going to be mentioning that you are doing a collaboration for new products in this catalog. So it's a video that you've created or a project that you've created using product out of the new mini catalog, the August to December mini catalog. But you will just mention it that it is a collaboration and that the links will be below in your description. I'm hoping that if there's only one or two people doing this collaboration with me, then you might want to just mention the names right in your video. But since I'm not sure what's going to happen, it's probably better just to say that you will create a playlist and the playlist will be below in your description. So you can use anything out of here. Now, I'm not looking for, you know, really big YouTubers. I mean, that would be awesome, but I'm afraid that any big YouTubers would get a lot less out of it than us smaller YouTubers, because we don't have as many subscribers or views or anything like that. I wanted to create an environment that would be, people would feel safe on maybe making their first YouTube video, or even if they have, you know, some subscribers, and that would be awesome. So this is basically what I'd like you to do. These are my thoughts. You're going to create a YouTube video, and you're going to mention the collaboration. You're going to upload that video by August 13th, but you're going to set it to private. You're going to take that link and you're going to post it in our Facebook group, which is going to be in the links below this video. And then once all those links are in, you're going to take all those links and create a playlist. I think that's the easiest way to do it. Under your own YouTube channel, create a playlist with all your collaborators in that their videos in that playlist. I also recommend that you use the end screen at the end of your video to put that playlist up there so that people can click on it right away and go to that playlist and play all those. Once that's done, you're going to set your video to go live on August 14th at 7 p.m. at my time, which is, well, normally Eastern Standard Time, but right now it's Daylight Savings Time. I think it's best if everybody's video goes live at the same time, because you don't want someone clicking on that playlist and they can't see those videos yet. So I don't know how that would happen, or what would happen if we did it that way. So I prefer if they all went live pretty much at the same time. After the videos have all gone live, I'd like you to go back and thumbs up all the videos in your collaboration and leave an encouraging comment. And then go back to your own and respond to any comments left in yours. The reason I'm saying this is the more engagement your videos have, the better chance that it gets a better rating and can get picked up easier by YouTube's algorithm. Videos just need to use a product from here, but you can make whatever project you like. It doesn't have to be a card, as long as the main, and it doesn't have to be everything doesn't have to be from here, but as long as the stamp set is from here, then we should be good. We're trying to showcase some of the newer product that's coming out in this. That's the whole idea of this collaboration, is collaborating on the product that's coming out on here. Now, ideally, it would be wonderful if we all chose different stamp sets. I don't know if that's going to be possible because I'm on a fixed budget, so I can only order what things that I like, or things that I think is going to sell well. And you might also have those same ones, but the projects will end up being different anyways. I am going to put our Facebook group in the comments or in the description below. Don't be intimidated if there's not that many people there, because this is brand new. I only have a couple people on that page, so I decided to do this video to hope to entice some other new or experienced YouTubers to do this collaboration with me. This is a great way to gain subscribers and possibly customers, and it gets you that way your customers, even your own customers, can see ideas of different things that you can do with the items in this catalog. So I hope that all made sense. And if you're interested, as I said, go down below, click on that Facebook group, and join us, and let me know that you're interested. If we get too many people, we will just have different teams doing collaboration. I don't think that's going to happen, but the likelihood that it could is there. In the future, if this is successful, I would like to continue on doing collaborations throughout the year, with different people and on different teams, and just keep it going forward. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and stay safe.